Nicomekl Nature Walk, Portage Park, a meditation. Scurry, going from here to there. Hurry up and wait. Worry, why? Slow roll down a dead-end lane. Stepping out, senses come alive in wonderment. Listen. Rustling in the trees, two gray bushy-tailed squirrels play tag among the autumn leaves. Crossing a bridge over troubled waters, murky currents swirling below. Debris of time drift on by. Learn this flow of letting go. Curious, a fine feathered pair paddles upstream to meet me. Just like water off a duck's back, teach me. Focus, cues in the brambles, white berries, bare branches interlaced. Damp leaves surrender and return unto earth, wherein scant seeds slumber as the next season takes its turn. Turn. Feel gravity pull down sodden clouds. Baptize me. Chilled, I briskly stride returning, stout heart pumping, purged blood coursing, deep cleansing breaths. Alive. Indeed it is so, and it is very good. Now mold me, my maker, the potter to the clay. I wonder as I wander out under the sky. Back in the cul-de-sac, caged in two cars, youth parked in their smog, somewhere between childhood and adulthood, furrowed brow, head in hand, so close yet so far. When at last I turn the key, I hear a melody of mystery. What heaven awaits. Here, portaging our burdens, we are wandering refugees headed home to where we've never been. St. Augustine echoes to me. Our heart is restless until it finds its rest in thee. By Kent and James Kootenai.